Unleashing the power of can in the passive voice. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another exciting session on our English language learning journey. Today, we are going to explore a fascinating topic: using the modal verb can in the passive voice. Understanding this topic will immensely improve your communication skills, making your English sound more fluent and natural. Let's dive right in. Firstly, let's quickly recap what the passive voice is. In the passive voice, the subject of the sentence is not the doer of the action but is the recipient of the action. An example would be, "The book was read by me." Here, the book, the subject, is not doing the action, it's receiving it. Now, on to can. Can is a modal verb we use to express ability, permission, or possibility. But how do we use can in the passive voice? The structure of the passive voice with can is relatively straightforward. Here is how it goes: subject plus can plus be plus past participle of the main verb. For example, if we take the sentence, "I can cook the dinner," and we want to make it passive, we would say, "The dinner can be cooked by me." Notice how we kept can, added be, and used the past participle form of the verb cook, which is cooked. Let's try more examples to practice and solidify our understanding. She can solve the problem becomes, the problem can be solved by her. We can finish the project in a week turns into, the project can be finished in a week by us. Remember, sometimes, particularly when the agent, the doer of the action, is not essential, we might omit it in the passive voice. And there you have it. Using the modal verb can in the passive voice is not as complicated as it seems. With practice, you'll master this structure in no time. I hope this video has been informative and helpful. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and each step, no matter how small, is progress. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and happy studying.